Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to open the Smart Switch application. On the Samsung smartphone you will get it as a default, so you don't have to download it from the Play Store or from any other source. But on the Huawei smartphone we have to move for the Play Store and get the Smart Switch application. Here you get the full name of the app. So we have to install. Right now let's open. Click agree. Accept all of these permissions. Click let's go. Select the wireless. And on your M51 you have to go for the receive data, but it's going to detect the second smartphone automatically, so you don't have to even do anything. And right now our smartphone are connecting, and as you can see they are connected, so it's very simple and very fast. And right now if you want to send all of the data from this Huawei smartphone to your Galaxy, you have to leave it like that. So you got here the messages, calls, contacts, calendar, apps, images, videos, everything that you have on this old smartphone will be sent. So you have to simply tap on the transfer and all of the data will be sent. But in my case it will take, as you can see here, about 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I don't want to wait that much, so I will unselect all this data, and to show you how it looks I will just go for the two songs from the Post Malone. And as you can see, that's how the transfer looks. And it's finished. So right now we can just simply go back and check if it is working. So I will go for the file manager and it will be probably in the audio. And yes, here we can find the two songs that we sent from our Huawei P30 Pro to Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!